Hello, my name is Juan Luis Cabanillas Garcia. I come from the Faculty of Education in the University of Extremadura in Spain, and I will present the paper titled A Systematic Literature Review in Web of Science of Generative Models in the Area of Education. First of all, there are a lot of topics interesting to make this review. For example, there are a transformation of teaching methods, also the improvement of students' performance, development of relevant skill, others and the innovation and assessment and in feedback with the IA, the optimization of time and educational resources, the promotion of inclusion and accessibility, and finally, the research and development of new educational theories. We pass in the theoretical background. There are four topics. First of all, the influence of the IA on education. There are a rapid evolution of the technology, and the educator, the professor, should update their teaching methods. Other, the adapting teaching strategy. There are integration of technologies of IA, like the ChatGPT, like BAR. We should in, we should research how the teachers incorporate them in their classes. Also, the collaborative intelligence. Studies has like the importance of investigating human-machine collaboration, especially with chatbot that I have said, and also the literacy and the digital literacy. About the problem estimate, we have done a systematic review of the literature, and we have four research questions. The first one is what temporal evolution and what type of typology are dominating in educational AI generative. The second one is which authors and countries are references in the publication on AI generative in education. The third one is that what trends are the most researched about AI generative in the education. And finally, the fourth is what emerging lines emerging currently and in the future in research of AI generating education. About the methods, we define the data source, how to share in the Web of Science. We use the three keywords, the generative models or generative artificial intelligence or generative AI. And also we use the word education. We have shares in the correlation, and we identify from topic about the inclusion of criteria. We shared last 10 years, documents published in article, conference papers, or early events in the category of education and the English language. Finally, we found 99 documents, and finally we cruising evaluate these documents to select the better for that selection document directly related and focusing on conceptual, practical, elemental process of generative models in education. Finally, we analyze 18 documents. We have created map bases in text meaning with was viewer, and to set the visibility and remove the generated eating, we use the occurrence of the +2 and with a relevant scoring plus the 60%. And finally, we collect in summarizing and interpret the information. Regarding the results, first of all, the network collaboration of the countries. It's destacate that Australia and USA dominates the publication and collaborate with other countries. We can see that USA have 16 documents and Australia have published 30 documents. Australia have the more number of citations, and the USA have 130 citations. For that is the two most relevant countries in that area of the IA in education. And about the keywords concurrence, it says which is the more relevant contents of the research. We can see that ChatGPT dominates is the main focus of the network. And there are some constant important contents that the plagiarism, that the ethics, that learning and the teaching. We can see that it's more centered in the student than the teachers, because the majority of researches talk about the students. And also we can see that education is focuses in the writing. ChatGPT can help students and teachers to writing, to the literacy, to the creativity. We can use a lot of different chatbots, not also ChatGPT. We can use BART. And finally, about the conclusion, we can see that there are an exponential growing publication in 2033. We can see the leadership of United States in the level of development of the implementation of chatbot and conversational application with educational contents. But it is important to say that we need more training and resources with emphasis in enhancing the infrastructure of accessibility. For that, there are a simple lack of standardization and best practice. It's important to research more, to create a guide, an ethical usage of generative AI in the universities and in the educational institutions. This is the main reference of our paper. And finally, thank you very much for your attention. And this is time for questions. Thank you very much.